to tell everybody that we are manufacturing footwear since 40 years and we are based in a town in Neemka Thana. It is nearby Jaipur only. And we are doing good in this business since past 40 years. And now I'll come directly to the power plant, which has the solar plant, which is being installed by your GSC Renewable company. Now I talk about my company and the relevance of solar plant. These days, everybody knows raw material prices have hiked. We have not hiked any kind of prices. And one of the reasons that power is so cheap for us now, that it helps us to reduce the prices. And ultimately, the growth of the company continues to grow. And all thanks to GSC Renewables, I'll tell you that we had no idea about this particular company, but we had an opportunity to meet Sahilji through and through from somewhere. And then he visited our factory. He gave us the confidence that yes, it can be installed in your factory. And ultimately, we had no idea about solar. So he took up all the pains, liabilities, installed everything. We didn't have to go anywhere for any kind of procurement. We just had a trust in him that yes, he will do this project for himself and for us. It was that kind of project and relationship with us. And now it's been more than 3 years and there's not at all any kind of fault, any kind of problems we are facing due to that, any kind of service issues. His employees or staff is maintaining, doing everything time to time, be it cleaning, maintenance, wiring, or whatever the reason is. I have no idea what kind of work even they are doing because he is looking after that everything. First of all, I'll recommend solar energy because it is very much eco-friendly and cheaper model as compared to the power supply being given by the government. Just like the electrical vehicles coming up in the market, somehow eventually in coming days the petrol diesel market will exhaust and all will be taken over by the electric vehicles. It is solar energy is kind of the similar thing. We need to have confidence in solar energy that yes, it is good for us and good for the environment.